bad. I got him in the waiting room here. Okay. Hey, good morning, Slut Muffin. You're always first, man.
Hello?
Hey, man.
Hi. I've just had to climb through my window because I left my key. So I'm quite sweaty.
Alright, all good, man. It's gonna hype you up for the stream. We just got the timer counting down for the stream here, so it'll give you guys a couple minutes to get set up here. If you can start your screen shares for me, I just need to.
It says host is disabled, attendee screen sharing.
No, try again.
Okay. There you go.
Awesome. Cool. So everyone's sitting in chat. We have one person missing. McLovin is missing today, so he will not be trading. So it's just going to be one-on-one.
Okay.
And the winner is going to be able to choose the prize. The two prizes are going to be, one is the book, and the second is $200. And then, of course, guys, I think we're going to do this again in maybe a couple months or something. I don't want to do it again right away. It's kind of like a weird series that maybe not a lot of people like, and it's taking a lot of time from, you know, doing the actual stream. So we'll do it again in a couple months, and we'll make a much bigger prize pool, maybe with some more people, and we'll make it more serious with better rules and whatnot.
Yeah.
How can you join? Well, it'll just be a random draw, I think, once again in the Discord. So make sure you're in the Discord, and I'll do it again at some point. Winner gets a kiss from Hunter. Yeah, if that's what you guys want. I was just talking about fangirls in the Discord there, and how that's basically the whole reason I'm doing YouTube, is just because I want fangirls. So I'm open to it. Morning, Darian. So yeah, go ahead and send me your Instagrams if you're a fangirl, and I will go ahead and ignore you. Alright. How do I make these like a bigger screen here? Bigger screen. Alright, guys. 1 minute and then we'll get started. Make sure you're set to $1,000 there. I think it's king. You can set it to 1,025 because you won the last round, so you can have the slight advantage.
No, it's fine.
No, it's fine. All right. He doesn't even want to win. He wants the $200 instead. That's probably why. May you join the competition? Yeah, you can sign up next time. It'll be in a couple months probably, or maybe a month or something. What broker do you use? Go to the website hunterfx.co. You can see the brokers I use. Hello team. Let the over leveraging begin. All right, we're gonna start in 5 seconds, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. Maybe I should. Oh damn! And now McLevin messages me. You guys heard that doot in the background? Now he's messaging me. Here, wait. I can tell him that he can join. So it's too bad, guys. So third prize, if he joins in here, third place is gonna get $50. Okay. I think he's gonna be able to join here in a second. Just give me a second. Alright guys, sorry about the distraction.
Need to change my lots from 2.5 million.
0.5 million? Oh crap. I got it.
Yeah, from the last one when I got 200 grand.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to mess that up. Sorry, 1 second here, guys. I will commentate in a second. I'm just trying to figure out.
Are we called to start trading now? Or
Yeah, you can start trading. I'm just trying to. I don't know how to use Zoom very well, man. Oh, here it is. Participants. Admit. Okay, there we go. I was getting confused. I was just trying to get the third person in here. Okay, so I think McLovin. Let's rename him.
Good morning.
All right, cool. There he is. McLovin's joined us. So once you go ahead and screen share, then you can get started. But the other guys just started. Literally, you messaged me the second we started. So great timing, man.
What are the odds?
Yeah.
My goodness. Barely making it today.
What, you sleeping?
Yeah, it's one of those days. I'm feeling a little tired.
Well, hopefully you win. I'll run down the prizes once again now that you're in here. So third place is going to get $50, second place is going to get $150, and first place is going to get the book, but they can decide to swap if they want. So we got James here, and he's been doing super well lately. Actually, he's been somewhat taking reasonable risks, but then going completely overboard, I believe, at the very end, and actually working out well for him. So he's just started off with an odd USD short here, trying to ride that same trend throughout the day, and it's probably really wise to stick with the trends of the days, guys. If you're really going to be doing something scalping like this, it's going to make a lot of sense to just keep riding that trend in and out very quickly. Never want to be scalping counter trend. Believe me, I've tried it and I've lost all my money. It does not work. Sorry, I'm just closing out a position of my own trade over there. I'm actually trading EU right now still while you guys are trading. So here, let's swap over. I'll introduce the players a little bit here quickly. It's King here. He was the only one throughout the entire series. I believe he's never done anything stupid. He's just been playing somewhat normal. And it looks like he's already locked in. How did you get exactly 100? Was that just chance?
50-50 place.
250s on the euro. Took a short, I assume, because it's going down. Yeah, short position. Cool. Just riding that little bit of a trend. Looks like he's doing a range-based style. As you guys can see, the highs and lows here. Simply selling that high there. Probably looking for this low. Would be really wise, right? I disable this. Alright. Alright, guys. So jumping over to McLovin. We have McLovin just starting out here. You can see he's put the $1,000 account balance there. And for some reason, McLovin's the only one that seems to be using this DOM. And I don't know if it really gives him any advantage or not.
Just easier to press the buttons.
Easier to push the buttons. Yeah, it's a lot faster, considering that this is basically a speed scalping game. Once again, guys, this is going to be a 40-minute tournament. So once the stream counter hits 45 minutes for all of the viewers that are watching, then this will be over. If you don't do any it's okay, don't do any trades and you'll win. I was just thinking about putting a long-term short on EU and let it run. All right, we won't talk about your trades here, man. We're gonna see if we could just watch these guys for today. So we seem to be drawing maybe some sort of range bound position here that McLovin's looking for. He's drawing out the tops. It looks like he's probably going to draw a low here that he's looking to buy. Exactly my thoughts, right? And that's probably, he's just going to be waiting, maybe set alerts or something right around those zones.
Kind of half-assed, just getting a gauge.
And yeah, drawing a little bit of a different strategy here, using a trend line that it's broken. Maybe he's looking for a retest of that trend line if it comes back down, or a buy on this zone. And he's probably going to be playing without stop losses, because I think that's what most of the players have been doing. Bottom indicator on McLovin. McLovin, what indicator are you using here?
Oh, that's actually I've just been doing testing. I'm not using it, but it's
Looks like
just
TDI.
yeah, it's just TDI.
Yeah. If you see a crazy looking RSI indicator, it's probably TDI. It's basically, what is it? I think it's Bollinger Bands, RSI, and like MACD or something, like all put into one. Or it's a bunch of things into one, and then you're supposed to use different crossovers to mean different things at different times. It's really confusing. I've heard people use it to their advantage, actually. It's just a really, really confusing way to trade, I think. And nothing is very like concrete. It's kind of up to the user's own interpretation of how they view it, but it could be good. I'm not sure. All right, still just kind of hunting around here for a position that Swiss is getting just a little bit lower. He might be looking to get a buy there very quickly. Shout out to the Dingus crew. Alright guys, so if you're a dingus, make sure you hit that like button, and we can make this the most liked Forex live trading competition on YouTube. You know why? Because it's the only Forex live trading competition on YouTube. Nobody does this shit. This is weird. This is a weird thing to do, guys.
Surprisingly.
I was telling the other guys here before you joined in, McLevin, I think we're going to do this again in the future in a couple months, but we'll do a much more serious one with like different risk parameters that you'll have to follow. Oh man, how do I mute this? Oh my god. You guys can tell how many notifications I get throughout the day by on stream. You can probably hear the jeez, it's constant. There we go. You shouldn't hear anymore. The disadvantages of YouTube fame, man. You should be here. Henry Stumpy got kicked out previous game. Guys, he's mad. He's a little bit salty that he's not actually playing in the final tournament here. It was a great idea to do this tournament. I thought it was kind of an interesting idea to do the tournament. So we got now 2 trades locked in for James Peacock. 2 profitable trades, doing well. A little bit behind It's King here. He's a 1,055, which is really solid. These guys are getting a little bit more smooth with how they're trading this. I guess it takes maybe it takes you 4 sessions to actually get a little bit more comfortable on how to do these stupid scalps. I'm sure it's not very good long term either way, but I remember these guys in the first round, they had no idea, and it was just barely making any profit. Or they would blow it all at once. Alright, so we got a UJ sell now opened up, and on King here with a very large lot size, a 7 lot size. So he's actually he's completely flipped his strategy here. He's made it to the finals by basically being the only one not acting like an idiot, it seems. But yeah, he's completely flipped his strategy and trying to take advantage of this downswing here, right?
I've just lost $640.
Oh man. Oh crap. Okay, that's a 640 on a short on odd man. USD. Oh man, that's going to be tough to come back from.
Yep.
I can see on my other screen here, Euro USD is doing some wacky things. I wonder if anyone's in Euro USD right now. Don't think so. No, nobody playing with Euro USD.
I'm about to.
That's probably what happened there on odd USD as well. Is it made a nice pump and then it completely screwed you over. It does look like it could still come down if we're looking at odd USD, just as a trend pair there, and Euro USD. It looks like it still could possibly come down. Let me just bring up a chart. Bring up a chart here. Got the F type there. They got the news. Let's look at odd USD. Let's see what actually happened there for him, so you guys can see what's going on here. He tried to take a short for some reason, probably a breakout short here Actually, didn't even break out. I have no idea why he took that short. That seems to make no sense. James, man. James. What the hell was this? I'm looking at it on my own chart here now. You shorted the very bottom before it broke out. And then it bounced. Oh my god, you deserve to lose because of that. Oh man, no wonder. Okay. See, actually guys, I just told you about Euro USD and I told you that it would probably come down still. These guys could have
I
capitalized
should
on
make
that.
this back.
You should? You think you can
Yeah,
double
I think
your
I can get
account
back
and
up
still
to
beat these
2,000
guys?
from that 400.
Just so you know, guys, this is the level. Anyone watching at home, that was the level that I told you guys to short from here and then down to here. Right. But let's jump back to this. I'm actually just taking, because I'm in a Euro USD short right now, so I'm just taking my profits here.
I might just do a little bit of a inspect element and make it plus 640 instead.
Yeah, you could do that. GBP USD, somebody in the chat screaming GBP USD short. Maybe, does somebody want to take the risk and follow him? We have
Yeah,
no,
sure.
we have no reason to believe this guy. Alright, Emmanuel.
Whether it is, I'm going with you.
Emmanuel, he's gonna follow your advice. Let's look at GBP USD. What does it look like? It looks like it could come down even more. It's kind of dumping. You do have this zone here that it could bounce off of, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's quickly check up with McLovin before we jump back. We got McLovin making some huge profit here, actually at 12.9% now.
Yeah. That was quick.
Yeah, that was really quick. Was that one trade?
That was, yeah, Euro. I accidentally put 500,000 on instead of 100,000.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's a little bit tough. See, this is what I was just saying. You guys are getting more smooth, but I think you guys are still making these mistakes, aren't you?
Yeah. Still got it though. That was a good one.
All right, so we got. How are you back at exactly break even, man? This looks like it's King kind of refreshed it. Did you refresh it or did you lose exactly $100 again?
I lost here.
You lost it exactly? Man.
Yeah, I shot it.
Click the account history, man. That sounds like some bullshit. That sounds like you're lying to me. Account history there. Dude, you're lying to me. What is this? You're fucking lying to me. What happened?
Woo!
It actually went into 200 drawdown.
Wait, what happened here? McLovin, or sorry, James Peacock, you just doubled your account?
Yep.
Based off of that GU short.
Yep.
Damn, Emmanuel with the signals. I think Emmanuel from the chat, I think you need to send me a message and we can start up a signal provider group.
It might be because I had 100 lots, but that's beside the point.
100 lots. Oh yeah, holy crap here. Oh man,
In fact,
and you made
1,000 lots.
$300. It's King, man. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think? What happened here? It's King. Chat, give me an answer. What should I do? Did this guy, is he lying to me? What should I do? Should I kick him off? I'm pretty sure he's trying to fuck with me. Oh man.
The $2,000 reset.
No, you put it. I think he's got exactly $1,000 again. So I think he reset it, and there's no account history. I think you might lose. This man is scamming. Disqualified. That's what they're saying. Kick him.
I was at 800.
You're at 800.
Yes.
Then you could have recovered yourself. What, you thought I wasn't gonna catch you? Man, I got eyes everywhere. What if I was watching you when you did it too? That'd be so funny. I just didn't say anything. Oh, that'd be great. All right, so we got McLovin here. He did the best in the first round, and then I think he barely pulled his weight in the second round there, but he does still have that kind of commanding title, and he's doing super well right now. James Peacock
Hunter,
definitely could
what should
take
I
it
do?
over. Sorry, what was that, man?
What should I do?
Yeah, you cheated, right?
I
Just-
can reset to 800, man.
Okay, reset to 600.
I think we should reset to 100.
100? No,
Yeah.
no. He. I'll still give him a chance just because I want it for entertainment. but you got punishment, man.
Yeah,
Tip-
he's 10,
Typical scammers.
10 full margin gamble trades.
There you go. He's reset to 600, guys. You can see now. You guys got to keep an eye on him though. If something happens and I miss it, you guys gotta point it out in chat here. Lower his account to 300. Yeah, somebody said lower to 300, but I think 600 is. I think that's actually too generous, but we'll do it anyways. We got to be nice sometimes on this channel. We can't just like hate everybody. This sesh is funny as hell today. Thanks, man. I like to think that I like to strive for funny as hell. Is hell very funny though? Like, do you ever just go to hell and just like laugh at like everyone burning? Like, there's no chance hell is funny. Maybe that's like an
Was it
insult.
Last week, there's some lag on the closing a trade.
There's lag closing a trade.
Yeah.
Just make sure you don't lag then. Why you guys are traders, right? You should have proper internet.
You didn't turn down the lag button?
You gotta install more RAM. There's a website, I think, what is it called? Installram.com or something.
Oh god.
Install. I got RAM. Wait. Or download RAM or something. Download RAM. Downloadmoreram.com. It's really good. You guys should go there. All right. I showed the chat. Hopefully some people download it. Wait, which one is the one I'm on here? Oh, you're actually searching it up. James Peacock. James Peacock is gonna download some more RAM. Let's see what happens. How much do you want? Dude, the 32 gig is in like a star pattern too, so you know it's gonna be fast. Download more RAM. Yeah, get better internet. That's not lag. He's cheating too.
Wow.
No, actually, I remember it did lag out for him, and it actually caused him worse drawdown last week there.
Yeah.
And we just called it as it was. We didn't adjust it at all. All right. What happened here, guys? What happened here? He made $268. I think I trust it though. I think I trust it.
I'm nearly back up to 1,000.
Nice. A UJ buy. That's really smart, man. Good buy. You're nearly back to 1,000. Good job, James.
Yeah.
940. This is starting to get a little bit closer, guys. We got still McLevin in lead here. He's not taking any positions for a while here. Maybe he's just getting a little bit too complacent with his victory.
I took a little bit of a loss.
Yeah, just a little bit. I think it was only like $50 or something.
Yeah, that's like a 170.
Is James Peacock Jordan Belfort? Yeah, he is. And he is one of the best traders you will ever find.
Yes!
See
Come
that?
on.
Yeah, we just saw it. And see the lag? We actually just saw the lag too. I think it closed it out lower, and then because it was spiking, your actual equity was like 100 higher. So now James Peacock now taking the lead from, what did you have? A $400 equity. You just tripled your account.
Jesus.
But that was in multiple trades. That wasn't just like one lucky trade.
Yeah,
I guess they're all lucky, aren't they? It's pretty much just all luck.
Well, it's just following the trend with a stupidly high lot size.
Yeah, pretty much. I think that's what you guys have basically figured out. And so that's why next competition we're going to have to really change up the rules. Maybe we'll do something funny like counter trend
I would
trading.
do my proper strategy, but I don't think there's enough time in this session to settle the trades up and do the analysis and everything.
Definitely not. We might be able to do some sort of longer term tournament. It's just going to be a lot harder to track different people, and I don't want to sit there for an entire day watching you guys trade. Alright, so it's King here, just slowly bringing up the little bits of profit on that UJ. Just taking UJ scalps. He's taking the advice, scalp with the major trend there. So he sees the 5-minute candle, he's just scalping with it. Oh, and now McLovin's taking over the lead once again. He got pissed off when he lost his first place with the Euro USD short. Now this was this was what I was talking about earlier, guys, kind of at the beginning of the stream here, this one, that this short would have been a good trade. We actually did take this trade. I was in this trade. You guys heard my my take profits being hit there, my closing accounts. This was actually a trade that I was taking. So it's probably wise that he also takes kind of a similar trade. Mind you, it's kind of getting to a position where it could bounce somewhere around here. As you guys can see, somewhere around there might be a good reversal point for it to range once again. I'm thinking we're going to range for the whole day here. That's just my opinion.
Yeah, that was a big dump.
Alright. Using the FTMO free trial accounts could be interesting for the next one, so that they make sure that they don't violate the rules. Oh, that could be cool. And then, because it's going to take some time to set up, I'm going to have to offer like a large prize pool. That would be cool. It would basically be like one round though, I would think. It would have to basically be one round. And you could see the history. That could be really good. That's a good idea. Might do something like that. James Peacock is 100% Warren Buffett's son. As he's gone back down to $800. 3 losing trades in a row. Good timing on your comment there, dude. Or just a fixed lot size. Yeah, we could trade with fixed lot sizes.
Oh my God.
I don't know if you guys like the trading view trading, or if you guys would rather we trade on MT4 demo accounts. Whatever you guys like in chat.
I prefer trading view because I'm on a MacBook, so it's really hard to get MT4.
Yeah, you're not going to be the next one, dude. We're going to get new players. We got to let new people try. Alright, so we're at the 29-minute mark now. So we got another 16 minutes. Okay, guys? Alright, and James just completely destroying his account slowly but surely here. $100, $200, $300. Just keeps trying to what? Short. Man, he's going after Emmanuel's advice again. He's shorting the pound.
This isn't based on advice. This is based on the moon cycle.
Oh, it's the moon cycle. Oh, okay.
That's important.
What's the moon cycle right now, if you don't mind me asking?
I've got no clue. I'm just guessing.
Well, let me just look it up. I guess it depends on where you are. Okay, so for me, I don't know, man. What is this? For me, it's a new moon. So maybe that's why you're losing. Because if it's a new moon, it goes to the moon, right?
That's what I'm blaming it on.
Yeah. So you need to have 0 moon or something. No moon. When is the 0 moon cycle? Hey, can you hide your Zoom profile pic by choosing hide non-video participant? By choosing hide non-video participant. How do I do this? Or how about I just do this? I have another one over here, don't I? Boom. How's that? Is that better, guys? Sorry about that. I had my face there the whole time, so you guys couldn't see. All right, that's much better, isn't it? Hey, I'm in your
We lost
Discord.
trade gold on this or not?
No, don't touch gold, man. I don't want anyone to like fuck it up. How's your FTMO challenge going? It's a little bit choppy this week, and I haven't really been trading too much. It's been basically flat for this week. Last week was crap. The week before was great. So, you know, little bit up, but nothing crazy. All right.
So tempted to add another 0 to my lot size.
Add another 0. Let's see where you're at here. Yeah, you might have to if you're running down the last 15 minutes here. I don't know. No, I don't think you can do that. You're gonna ruin it. I'm watching, dude. I'm watching. This is gonna get liquidated in frickin' 1 pip.
Woo!
Oh my god, you just waited for 1 pip down and then close it. That's $100 in 0.1 pip.
You just gotta do that 10 times, man. You're a millionaire.
Yeah. What happened here?
Oh.
The thing is, this is just gambling. You're out. You lose, dude.
Yep.
You're out. I literally told you not to do that right before you did it. Alright, guys. With
Wait, let me do it. Let me do it. It's king. Let's go, boys.
I think you won now, man. Alright. Cool.
100K.
So it's King sitting at 766 now, and we got McLevin sitting at 1211. McLevin doing super well. He hasn't come out of any drawdown at all. I think he's basically just gone slowly up, and he's doing super well. So I wonder if he's actually like a scalper, or if this is just luck, the ultimate scalp.
If only they had accounts with spreads this tight, I tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
Yeah, well, I can find you some. The commissions are just going to be nuts, though. How do you feel about $50 commissions per lot?
Jeez. Yeah.
I'll make a broker right now, and I'll offer zero spread.
0 spread, all commission.
Yeah, exactly. The advertising will be great. 100% deposit bonus. 0 spread. Zero swaps.
Man, it's scalper's paradise.
Yeah, all you have to do is pay commission. $100 per lot.
Yeah, I could probably get close on the futures, but yeah, this is actually, it's really hard to scalp. It's just, once you get spread and 1 extra point or 1 extra tick added to it, you start.
Yeah.
Pretty much any profit that I can take doing this isn't real.
All right, fair enough. I nearly blow my account today. I didn't stick to my rules and lost so many. Normally I stick to 3 loss rule. I started to hear that, Sean, man. Some days you don't stick to your rules, and that's the days you gotta go out and you gotta look back at yourself and slap yourself in the face because you're an asshole for not listening to yourself. Man, imagine like telling yourself you're gonna do something and then just like not doing it. Imagine how bad that feels. I mean, it's a super common thing. Like, people say they're gonna go to the gym and then they just like never go to the gym. Like, imagine how bad you'd feel as a person. Like, you can't even listen to your own thoughts. You can't even do what you actually want to do. That's so unfortunate. Right.
I'll tell you something though. I will take $50 because that pays for a KFC.
Pays for 1 KFC visit?
Just
Yeah.
1?
Dude, how much do you eat?
Oh my god.
Man,
Oh, it's just open. It's just opened again near me. So
me and my girlfriend can eat two meals of KFC for like $15.
what?
It's so freaking cheap, dude.
That gets you 1 chicken wing and some Pepsi.
Oh no way. We get like a bucket of chicken for like $20. It's so freaking cheap. Mind you, it's not that good, but there's definitely better chicken, more expensive somewhere else. So we have 1,208 somewhere for McLovin here, and it's King still sitting at roughly 800. You know, these guys aren't too far off. It's really going to come down to like the last 2 minutes once again, guys. We're sitting another 9 minutes left on this tournament, and then we're going to call it quits, and we're going to declare a winner.
Ooh, look at Trini Gaming's comment.
Trini Gaming, I feel like Warren Buffett Jr. deserves a second chance since the other guy was cheating. Yeah, that's kind of true. That's kind of true. All right. Here's the deal. You can't win, but you can beat. It's King, and I'm gonna give you $400.
I'll take 100 if you.
Actually, no. I'll give you 600. I'll give you 600 because that's what I gave It's King.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. So these guys are basically gonna play for, I think, second, because thinking about it now, It's King shouldn't win either. I think we can basically say like McLovin basically won because I completely forgot It's King actually cheated.
Sorry, guys.
So McLovin, you feel free to just like show off like how great you are here, but I think congratulations, you won, dude. So you're either gonna get the book or you can choose the $150 if you prefer to pass on the book to somebody else.
Nice.
But you can figure that out.
Is third getting 50 either way?
Yeah, third is getting $50 either way.
So if I crash my account now again?
Yeah, you'll get $50.
Okay, cool.
So basically, yeah, you guys can double your accounts as many times as you want.
Yeah, McLovin's gonna win, man. There's no way I'm gonna give you guys the first place prize here for the shit you guys just pulled. Both of you are assholes in two different ways. Did I fail the FTMO challenge? No, I did not fail the FTMO challenge. It's still running, and I won't fail it. Like I can pretty much say for sure, like I won't fail it, but I won't say for sure because that's.
I've just tripled my account.
Oh my god! What?
Jeez.
Wait. Oh no, I'm looking at McLovin's. Oh no, you didn't. Freak, man. I take you guys seriously.
Triple count every 2 minutes. I need to
write
a book about that.
Yeah, I'll make a YouTube video, how to triple your account in 2 minutes. That would be funny if we did something like that, and then I was bashing on all of these other traders that just like flip their accounts using really risky strategies, and then I come up with the most risky one. Like 2 minutes to $100,000.
Just look at the daily, man. Just look at the daily.
Yeah. Look at the daily and bet your entire account.
Yeah, wait till it starts flickering up a little bit, and then just buy and sell. Get out.
All right. McLovin gets go all or nothing. I don't know what that means. 150 to Subway. James was worried about his KFC. Yeah, James double checked. James double checked before he blew up his account because he purposely blew up his account. I heart Hunter FX. Yeah, all right. Go ahead and like the video, guys, just because of this beautiful drawing. You can like it for James and not for me. That's beautiful. Wow, can I join the Discord chat? Yeah, Discord is in should be in the description, man. Alright, MVP. Yeah, sweet. Cool, let's not look at his anymore. Alright, guys. I think this is basically done, man. There's not much left for us to watch, actually. I think this is done. I think I'm going to call it here, guys. I don't see any reason for us to finish this. McLovin, he's doing better. He hasn't had any drawdown. He's actually just playing this like a pro. It's kind of crazy because I've seen him do this like 3 weeks in a row. The 1 week he didn't do super well, but the first and the second, or the first and the third here, I don't know, man. That's crazy. Maybe it's just a small sample size. It's really good.
If I didn't be ridiculous and go with 10 times my lot size, I had a chance.
Yeah, you definitely death to the dingus. What the fuck?
Yeah, probably just do lot size. You know, it can't be no broker would let you go over what $1 million on
exactly
$1,000 account.
We might do demos next time. I think this is pretty much wrapped up, guys. You guys can continue to trade here if you want, but we're just gonna kind of wrap it up. Next time we might do some actual MT4 demo accounts. We might do the FTMO trial. I'll think about it. Amos says, Hunter, we should compete against you. Some guy starts screaming about trade gangs, so he's clearly got some sort of mental illness. And so the problem with trading against me is then I can't commentate, and also this is just kind of ridiculous, and I kind of just would rather commentate on it. So it's a lot more fun for me to like watch these guys than actually trade it, because I've done this shit before and I've lost all my money. But yeah.
Well, that's an incredible trade by me.
Why you trading right now? Let's see here. Oh, that's beautiful, man. Oh, that's great. I didn't know you could even draw hearts.
It's on the stamp from Annotate.
Oh, like over here? What the hell? How are you doing it so quickly? You're changing them.
Yeah, you just change it on the stamp section.
Stamp section. I see like the little icons on the left. Dingus Gang. Please don't start saying Dingus Gang. Please don't say anything gang. Like everyone's got like the gang thing. And it's so weird. I don't like it. It's so cringy. You got baited to sharing James's screen. Yeah, just so we can watch him draw. This is honestly more interesting. Alright, guys.
Yeah, I'll try and draw a dog for you.
A dog? Okay.
Yeah.
I said it earlier, but I don't know if you guys saw it, but FTMO trials set up basically instantly, and you can request multiple on the same FTMO account. Yeah, so we could probably do the FTMO trial next time. I think that's a pretty good idea for whoever gave that idea. But we're going to be doing it in probably a month or two, because I don't want to do this series again right away. We got tons of other stuff I'm planning out. I want to do different series. I want to do maybe like signal provider testing, things like this. Snake Gang, somebody else is screaming. Yeah, that's like Mamba FX one. Like everyone does like a gang, it seems like. And like why do we got to be a gang? Why can't we just be like traders?
Yeah, whatever happened to that prestige trading group?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought traders were like a bunch of like rich British people. But they're all in gangs now. Alright guys, so let's wrap this up. These three guys, they're gonna message me after. McLovin, do you want the book or do you want the $150?
I'm gonna roll with the book. I want to read what you have to say.
Awesome, man. Cool.
Came for the book.
Awesome. Congratulations then. James Peacock, you got some KFC. I'm going to ship it to your house. It'll be cold when it gets there. And
I
it's
should have done that now. I should have come second. I didn't think he was going to go for the book.
Yeah, well, you don't know what's going to happen, man. Now you only get one order of KFC. You could have gotten 3.
No. 200 would still cover just one. This is just going to be a smaller one.
You could have had KFC for a whole day, $150 worth, right? This is what trading pays for. Trading pays for your KFC addiction. You thought that was a... That's a pretty good looking dog. Wolf sub to
Thank
Hunter. Wolf sub. You should call out Mamba FX. I think I'll do a video on Mamba FX. He's kind of funny. I watched a couple of them. But yeah, I want to do something that's like less mean though, because people get really mad when I'm mean. Mamba FX is on benefits. What? Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it here.
Call it welfare.
Huh?
I think you call it welfare. I'm not sure. Do you still call benefits?
Welfare. Yeah, welfare. I think is what you're talking about for sure. All right, guys. It was a pleasure.
Hunter.
Thanks for playing. Send me your PayPal's or Bitcoin, whatever you want.
Hunter.
Okay.